Welcome back, guys, to our series of creating your profitable Shopify store. And in this video, we continue our Facebook advertising to drive traffic and sales to your website. In the previous video, we discussed how you can build your Facebook page for your shop and how to build organic reach and likes using boost post techniques. And now let's assume you've already built it, and you have enough likes and shares and comments, and you have some real traffic going on your Facebook page. And our next step is to monetize this traffic and to drive them to your website. To do so, we need to use a nice little trick called a gift giveaway. I highly recommend using this trick instead of trying to use standard Facebook advertising, because in most cases you'll just burn your budget and you'll get nothing or just a few clicks. Because people are not really interested to click on things. They're interested to get something in return. For example, a nice little gift would be a nice idea. But before we do it, we need to prepare a couple of things. Let's switch back to our Shopify. To doing your Facebook advertising, you need to connect your Shopify using Facebook Pixel ID. It is inside the section called Online Store Preferences. And then you can see here, Facebook Pixel. And here you need to set your Facebook Pixel ID. To find your Pixel code, go to Facebook Ads Manager. If you cannot find it, just Google it. And then, in the search bar, just put Pixel. And then you get to something like this, where you can set your Pixel up, and then get copy-paste code that you need to put to your Shopify store. Once the Pixel is set, it will allow you to automatically track your conversions. The conversion can be, for example, opening of your certain page, adding products to cart, or a purchase. The next step is to prepare your gift giveaway. The gift giveaway will be a simple product that you are going to give away for free, in case customers purchase, for example, more than $50 worth of stuff. In my case, I have decided to give away a simple anti-lost collar tag for pets. You see? This anti-lost collar can be in two types. First one can be old school, where this is a little tube. And inside, there is a paper with address. Let's see how it looks. You see, it allows you to put address and name, so in case your dog is lost, somebody will find it and easily bring him back. This gives a lot of peace of mind to the pet owners, and it costs you almost next to nothing to produce, and gives so this is totally fine for you to give away things like this for free, in case customers purchase more than $50 worth of stuff. Another gift that I have is anti-loss Bluetooth tracking device. This is also very cheap to produce. This is for more young generation dog owners. It allows you to track the position of your dog on your cell phone. You see? This is called Smart Tracker. So basically, it has a map on your cell phone, and then it shows from the map the position of the special key which you put on your dog collar. So in this case, you can locate your dog, your keys, your remote control, and stuff like that. Things like this are very valuable and very fun. Very unusual, but at the same time super cheap to produce. That's why it's totally fine for you to give away, in case customers buy more than $50 worth of products. Depending on your niche, you can give away things like little amulet, little necklace, or free sample of new product, or new supplement. Things like this for free. iPhone case. Things like this are really cheap, but at the same times, you can give away and drive traffic to your website. Once you add these products, and, of course, I found them on AliExpress using Oberlo app. I add them to my store, and they look like regular products with all the description, title, but the price is set to 0. And people can add to cart only once per customer, and only if they purchase over $50 of stuff. If it doesn't exceed $50, you simply cancel the gift and don't give them this gift. So using this trick, you have really nothing to lose, because this kind of gift costs less than $1 to produce and ship. But at the same time, you engage in a lot of traffic, a lot of customers to your web store. The next step to do is to go to your Facebook Ads Manager and create new ad. And when it's asking you what kind of marketing objective you have, you choose Conversions right here. Take a look at what kind of settings I use for my niche. Of course, you can use different for your niche, but usually this is. Conversion is based on Facebook Pixel. And conversion event is Add to Cart, because for me, At the end of the day, what's important is when people add stuff to the cart. Usually I set daily budget like $7 so I don't run out of money too quickly. And usually you need to run this at least 1 week or 10 days before you're getting results. Because first Facebook needs to get some data before they can optimize and improve your results. The first days you begin in very high cost per conversion. But then it will reduce naturally once Facebook realizes what kind of audience purchase your stuff better than others. So they start serving your ads to the right audience, and your cost of conversion will naturally decrease. You see, my potential reach is 46 million people. Let me show you more details on my ad. Let's see how my ad looks like. You see, it's connected to the destination, my Facebook page, and this is kind of ad I am using. This is a multi-image or video or carousel. The text I put, have a peace of mind knowing your beloved dog is safe. Get a free gift dog anti-loss tag today. Click here and link to my store. Then I'm putting 3 images the same that you saw on my website so they can easily relate to that. You can see them here on the right. It's a carousel of 3 images. Facebook will be showing the ones that converting the best to them. And I usually put this green call to action button directly on my image so it's more clickable. But don't put too much text on the image. Facebook hates that. And I had something like, get a free gift and free shipping with a heart emoji. You see? And see the button is called Watch More. You see, Watch More, call to action, is called Watch More. And I also like to limit only to mobile and Instagram. Because if you serve ads on their main Facebook and desktop, it's getting too expensive in most cases. And these days, everyone is on mobile and tablets anyway, so you can save a lot of money if you only limit your promotions to Facebook and Instagram on mobile and tablets. That's it, guys! Our promotion is ready, and it will get approved and start running. And once people like it, they click it. They will go directly to your website, explaining them how they get this gift, with more information on the product page. Something like this, you see. This little trick made thousands and thousands of new profits for me from Facebook. So I highly recommend to you using this kind of promotion instead of simple promotion, like buy my best stuff, and this will not work very well. And additionally, what you can do is to promote special featured products. Like if you have some special holiday, commonly Christmas or Halloween, you can put a post about them with a link and several pictures in a carousel, and then promote this kind of post to drive traffic directed to this page with the Christmas collection, in this case. This will bring a lot of clicks as well. So, to summarize, guys, to be successful with Facebook, you need some patience because Facebook needs several days to optimize your campaign. You need a lot of optimization. You need to start several campaigns, not just sit with one and hope for the best. Start several campaigns. For example, if you plan to spend $70, instead of putting $70 in one campaign, start 10 campaigns with $7 each and put different interests. Put different images. Put different call to action text in each one. And then one of them will fail, another will succeed and bring you profit. So you need to keep experimenting because there is just no one solution that works for everybody that can just make everybody rich. It's simply not possible. Then you get rid of the failing ads and scale up succeeding ads and keep experimenting and optimizing. We need to find a good giveaway, like I found, that will work best for your niche, and then use it as a magnet to drive traffic to your website through the Facebook ads. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next videos, guys. Thank you for watching.